I'm Eddie, tour guide in National Park Tanjung Puting, and now I enter with another customer. This new customer with a sailing boat. What the name? Blue Moon. And I want to know what's their name again. Yesterday I have asked, but I want to ask complete name, country, and their experience 3 days 2 nights for tour. So let's check what their comment for me. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What's your name? From you, Ma?
Honestly, Craig.
Craig. You?
Colleen,
Colleen.
Lauren,
And Dylan.
Dylan. Where's come from?
Australia.
Australia.
Queensland, Australia.
Queensland, Queensland, Australia. Okay, what's your experience? The tour with me for 3 days tonight. What you see? What do you feel? Food, sleep, everything.
Food was amazing.
Food was
Eddie's
great.
awesome.
Eddie's the man.
Eddie's the man. Choose Eddie as your tour guide
Lo-
today.
lots of gorillas.
Orangutans.
Orangutans. I was yeah. Lots of other monkeys, gibbons.
Oh yes,
The
the
macaques.
Macaques.
Pigs.
Some pigs. A few birds.
Some birds.
Do you forget for trekking night?
Oh, and tarantula.
And
Tarantula. Trekking
Night
night.
trekking's pretty cool.
Leeches.
Leeches.
Oh, yes.
But only one.
Jungle. Scary.
Just
Jungle
one
scary.
leech.
But fun. Eddie looked
And
after us.
beautiful. Yeah, Eddie looked after us.
And Apri.
And Apri?
Apri.
Apri is the stuff for trekking at night, yeah?
Trekking at night. Yeah.
Yeah. But boat was good. Everyone on the boat wonderful,
Comfortable.
friendly, happy.
Captain's
Comfy
awesome.
bed.
Comfy bed.
Captain's-
and the
Captain's
cook.
got a good
The
sense
cook
of
is very,
humour.
very good. Wonderful food. Too much food.
Captain's. What are they? Orangutan calls the best.
Yeah.
What? Mo ya. 1, 2, 3 together. Mo.
He likes it.
Book your tour today.
Book your tour
Okay.
today.
That's enough for experience and for asking me. So now the time for say goodbye.
One more thing.
One more thing.
Eddie's beautiful jewelry.
Okay.
Ring.
Ring.
And bracelet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the time for say goodbye.
Okay, sampai jumpa lagi.
Bye.
Sampai jumpa lagi.
Bye. So wait me for the next experience with another customer. Bye.